नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज की क्लास शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपको एक बात बता रहा हूँ कि आप ज़िंदगी में हमें कई सारे सेक्रीफाइस करने पड़ते हैं और इन्हीं सेक्रीफाइस से हमें अपनी ज़िंदगी का अचीवमेंट प्राप्त होता है। ज़िंदगी में बिना सेक्रीफाइस के इंसान को कुछ नहीं मिलता। इंसान नहीं, यह जो हर एक चीज़ पर लागू होता है, हमेशा किसी भी चीज़ को प्राप्त करने के लिए सेक्रीफाइस एक बड़ा रोल निभाता है। शुरू करते हैं आज की क्लास। मोस्ट करंट अफेयर जो नवंबर माह के लेकर आया हूँ। इन विच स्टेट द हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल हेल्ड एनुअली। देखिए, जो नागालैंड है आपका, ऑप्शन सी इज़ द करेक्ट, वो हर साल हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल बनाता है। What is the one of the key environmental outcomes of extend product responsibility EPR? EPR का मतलब होता है एक्सटेंड प्रोड्यूसर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। तो यहाँ पे राइट आंसर हो जाएगा इंक्रीज रिसाइलिंग। जितना ज़्यादा हम इंक्रीज करेंगे रिसाइल को, उतना ही ज़्यादा इन्वायरमेंट आउटकम होगा। विच टेक्नोलॉजी डज द सवाल 20 ड्रोन यूज इन ऑपरेशन इन कन्फाइंड स्पेस? तो राइट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा बी, वर्टिकल टेक ऑफ एंड लैंडिंग, जिसको बोला जाता है विटोल, जिसका सेबल 20 ड्रोन में यूज किया जा रहा है। विच कंट्री अप्रूव्ड ए सोशल मीडिया बैन इन फॉर चिल्ड्रन अंडर द एज 16? जो भी 16 साल से नीचे जो चिल्ड्रंस हैं, उनके लिए सोशल मीडिया पूरी तरीके से बैन कर दिया है ऑस्ट्रेलिया। ऑप्शन बी इज़ द करेक्ट। इंडिया रैंकिंग इन द नेटवर्क रेडीनेस इंडेक्स में इंडिया की जो रैंक आई है वो 49 रैंक आई है। ऑन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डे प्रेसिडेंट recalled the role women members played in the Constituent Assembly, the body tasked with formulating the Constitution of Independent India. How many women were working of the Constituent Assembly of India? कह रहा है कि जब भी हमारी जो हमारा जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूट बन रहा था उस समय उसमें कितनी महिलाओं ने भाग लिया? उसमें 15 महिलाओं ने वहाँ पे भाग लिया। The India Meteorological Department (IMD) recently announced the likely intensification of in deep depression into a cyclone. Which of the following is true about extreme cyclones? They occur only tropical region? नहीं है, tropical region पर ही वहन होते हैं, ये तो पूरी तरीके से गलत है। They have warm air at their core? नहीं, वे गर्म होते हैं हवा के साथ, कोर में नहीं। Derive energy from the interaction of cold and warm air masses? यही हमारा सी ऑप्शन हो जाएगा। November 28 marks the death anniversary of Jyotiba Rao Phule, a social reformer who fought against social evil like untouchability and promote women's education, who bestowed the title of Mahatma to Jyotirao Phule. तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन हो जाएगा बी, विठ्ठललाल कृष्णाजी वांडेकर। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए इंडिकेटर ऑफ इन्फ्लेशन? इन्फ्लेशन का इनमें से कौन सा एक इंडिकेटर नहीं है, सूचक नहीं है? तो ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट डी, एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट। What regulatory norms govern fleet emissions in India, which may lead a penalties for non-compliance, as seen with car makers like Honda and Mahindra in FY23? Option B is the correct answer. What is the main purpose of Hajj Suvidha app? Hajj Suvidha app 2.0? बेसिकली इसका जो इंटेंस था वो था टू प्रोवाइड कराना कन्वीनियंस एंड सेफ्टी फॉर इंडियन पिलग्रिम्स। Which organization along with the International Labour Organization ILO released the Indian Employment Report 2024? ISD, Indian Institute for Human Development. Under which act eco-sensitive areas ESA notified? Environmental Protection Act 1986. What is the main feature of the E-दाखिल पोर्टल? ई-दाखिल पोर्टल का जो मेन जो फीचर था वह था ऑनलाइन फिलिंग ऑफ कंज्यूमर कंप्लेंट्स. For what achievement did the Indian Chemical Council receive the 2024 OPCW the Hug Award? राइट आंसर होगा सिग्निफिकेंट contributed the chemical safety and compliance. When is Constitution Day or Svidhan Divas observed annually in India? C is the correct answer. 26th November every year. Which project is currently being developed at Lothal under the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways? Option A is the correct National Maritime Heritage Complex. In which of the following institution was India's first ever Constitution Museum recently inaugurated? Right option is the B. O.P. Jindal Global University, Sonipat. Which constitutional amendment introduced the words socialist and secular into the Indian Constitution? 14th Amendment 1976. Which state has recently notified Guru Ghasidas Tomar Bengal as India's 56th tiger reserve? This is the Chhattisgarh. Option B is the correct answer. Where is the Chenki Port recently inaugurated by Chinese President Xi Jinping located? Peru. Option B is the correct answer. Which state has recently repealed the two-child norm that previously barred individuals with more than two children from contesting local body elections? Andhra Pradesh is the right answer. Option B is the correct. In light of the disagreement over implementing decision from the global stocktake GST at COP29 in Dubai, particularly regarding transiting away from fossil fuels and increasing renewable energy, how often will be global stocktake be conducted after the first in 2021? Option B is the correct, every 5 years. In light of Kerala High Court ruling and waving a black flag, a Chief Minister Conway is not illegal or defamatory, under which constitutional provision is the right to peaceful protest, including waving black flags protected in India? Article 19 is the correct answer of C. In the context of Russia hypersonic missile strike on Ukraine, what is the primary range in intercontinental ballistic missile? C option is the correct, 1500 plus kilometer range. Which of the following is not a member of the Rome Statute? Is correct option A, China. Considering Delhi recent air quality index AQI in the severe category and similar trends globally, which of the following is not mentioned a cost or poor air quality? Option C is the correct, increased export revenue. Age of launching during the G20 leaders summit in Rio de Janeiro, how many members are part of the Global Alliance Against Hunger and Poverty? C option is the correct, 148. What key component makes air purifies effective at removing particulate matters like PM 2.5? Option B is the correct, HEPA filter. 2014 second Indian CARICOM summit. Most important है CARICOM summit, marking a milestone in Indian CARICOM relation. B option is the correct, Georgetown, Ghana. What in India rank in the climate change Performance Climate Change Performance Index CCPI 2015. C option is the correct 10th. What is a key criterion for eligibility in the revised PLI scheme for public sector banks? Option A is the correct. Positive returns on asset. In the current context of the Supreme Court scrutinizing the delay in delimitation exercise in 3 states, which of the following statement about delimitation is not correct? Option B is the right answer. The delimitation commission order can be challenged in court. Amid urgent calls a larger financial flows a COP29, what is the primary purpose of the new collective quantified goal? B option is the correct answer. Set new climate finance target. In the current context of growing concerns over air pollution and climate intervention, what material is commonly used in cloud shedding as nucleus for rain formation? Option B is the correct. Silver iodide. In the context of Bangladesh seeking Interpol assistance to repatriate deposit Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and other fugitives, which interpreted notice is used as seek the location or arrest a person wanted by a judicial authority or international tribunal with a view to extradition? Option A. Option B is the correct. Red notice. In the context of fossil fuels proliferation treaty discussion at COP29, what are the three main pillars of the treaty? Option B is the correct answer. Non-proliferation, fair phase out, just transition. What does the term just transition refer to the context of climate change? Option B is the correct. Fair shift to low carbon economics. Which of the following statements are the G20 is incorrect? Option B is the right answer. G20 has a permanent secretariat. Which is the following is not a measure outlined under GRAPE 40 to combat pollution in Delhi? Option B is the correct answer. Permit all trucks entry. What was recently crowned the 73 Miss Universe? Option B is the correct. Victoria Kajal Thelwig. Which fund approved the Animal Health Security Strengthening Initiative? Option B is the correct. Pandemic Fund. Which banks have been retained as a domestic systematically important banks DC by the RBI? Option B is the correct. SBI, SDFC, ICICI Bank. In the recent incident at Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve, which plant consumed by the elephants led to their poisoning? C option is the correct answer. Kodo millet. What type of engine power hypersonic cruise missile? Option B is the correct answer. Scramjet engine. What is the main goal of Swastik initiative recently discussed at the International Conference of Communication? A dissemination of traditional knowledge. Option B is the right answer. Verify traditional knowledge sensitively. What of the significant power the reimposed UPSPA grant to armed forces in distributed areas of Manipur effectively November 14, 2024? Option B is the correct answer. Power to arrest without warrant. What is the goal of Fit for 15 in 2030 package, which is related to the UE carbon border adjustment mechanism and aims to address climate related trade policies? Option B is the correct answer. To reduce greenhouse gas emission by at least 55 by 2030. Which of the following is a key feature of the new version of Pinaka MBRL system recently tested by DRDO? B option is the correct. Enhanced range of over 75 km. What is the new scheme announced by Australia for Indian graduates? बी ऑप्शन इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर, मैथ्स स्कीम। दोस्तों ये होते हैं आज के टॉप 15 क्वेश्चन और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन लाए गए हैं और एग्ज़ाम की दृष्टि से बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। किसी भी एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हो, ये करंट अफेयर एकदम टॉप लेवल के होने वाले हैं। आशा है कि जिस भी एग्ज़ाम में आप परीक्षा दोगी उसमें इनमें से नंबर का करंट अफेयर बाहर नहीं जाएगा। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।